This is the invasion of the seagulls, all in the sky. They're invading Daytona. They're all around, everywhere. Flying along the beach. People playing with them. That's an immigrate. How do you say
migration?
It's a migration from the north. They come to this horrible, horrible weather in Florida. And there's coming more and more. They look very pretty. Now they're flying everywhere, see? I know, I'm chasing all this moila. Oh, okay. They start flying now like crazy. Why?
There's them evil girls over there chasing. Sneaking up on them, then running at them.
And this is the Seagulls and Daytona. And there is Brandon going to chase the seagulls. We are here having some boring winters. The temperatures are so high. Let's see how he's going to rain. He's very huge legs. And he's going to put in the seagulls, and here he comes, making flying all of them. Look at him, how he's over. He's got very bad eye. And he's coming. Got crazy, Brando.
Alicia gonna run through the seagulls. There she goes. Run, Forrest, run. She's running her little legs up. Oh, she done run out of energy. There she goes. She's trying again. She's running out of energy. I don't think she's gonna make it. Video. You couldn't get picture.
Can you see that seagulls flying at least?
Yep.
That's all the video.
Did you use all your energy?
Yeah, I lose my energy. I was expecting for a picture. No, a video.
There's some more birds over there.
Yeah, but I had to whirl that way again, monkey. Now it's your turn. That's all, mira.